Many people who start learning trading give up within the first year. It's not always because the markets are too difficult, but often because they feel lost in an ocean of information. Today, I'll share one of the main reasons and how you can set yourself apart by continuing the journey. Imagine walking into a massive library where every book is shouting different advice. Technical analysis is king. Fundamentals matter more. Follow my signals to get rich. Most beginners are like explorers without a map, circling endlessly in a maze of knowledge. What's the result of random learning? Cluttered thinking, shallow understanding, and wasted money. For a lot of beginners, quitting doesn't come from a lack of ability. More often, it's the frustration of not having a clear learning path. It's like trying to run a marathon without a training plan. But what if you had a structured learning system, like an experienced guide leading you through unknown territory? You won't just know more, you'll build your own learning system, a method you can keep building on. Over the next 23 episodes, we'll build your learning toolkit together. From mindset preparation to specific skills, from avoiding traps to finding your specialty. This isn't another trading course, it's a guide on how to learn trading effectively. Ready to begin this journey? In the next episode, we'll look at some of the most common reasons traders struggle and how you can set yourself on the right path from the very beginning. If you're tired of getting lost in trading education, this series is for you. Remember to subscribe, and I'll see you next episode.